Hello, I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a super quick unboxing video of my Jordan Page monthly block planner. I've used her other ones in the past and I felt like the website didn't really show all the parts of it, so just wanting to show you what's in it and I hope you enjoy. So this is how it came shipped, so definitely knew what it was. I know, always cut towards yourself, huh? There it is. So as you can see, I got the tan leather look. Okay, it has one of these straps on the side. And let's take a look. All right, so obviously the weekly block schedule by Jordan Page. If you've seen any of the other planners, they also come with this. She has a QR code so you can figure out how to use it. And I might actually do this one because I don't know if this one's going to be different than her previous ones. So the big difference is it's weekly blocks instead of daily blocks. So I'm interested to see how I like this system. She actually has a calendar here and she's incorporated her own tabs, which I think I like. I added mine to my physical planner and then also to my digital planner. So I feel like tabs are necessary. All right, so let's see, calendar, what is this looking like? So there's pocket here, winter, spring, summer, fall. Okay, oh, this is the bucket list page. Then we have year at a glance, so that's pretty cool because I know she talks about how they plan out their year in advance. So if you know you want to go on a trip in the summer or in the fall or spring break, you plan that out. And then I think she has you budget for it throughout the whole year. That's how we do our budget too. And then this is the month at a glance. Okay, so I think there's a 13th month in here. Okay, so then we have the goals page, another pocket here, and then goals to accomplish this year, rewards, motivations, notes, and important things. This is a pretty cool idea. Visions, dreams. This is one of those things that a lot of people love in planners. I probably won't use this page much unless I stick a vision board over here maybe. Personal growth, spirituality, travel, health, relationships, wellness. So this is all under the goals tab. Oh, this is pretty cool. She might have this in her budget planner. I'm not sure. I've never used her budget planner, but it talks about your goal, start, end, motivation, reward, action steps. And so I think this kind of goes along with her theme of how do you eat an elephant one bite at a time? So I think it kind of helps you break down what you need to do to get this goal done so that you actually can achieve it. And so it is doable, if that makes sense. Okay, so she has multiple pages of that. Then it's the budget tab. This one also has a pocket. And then here, financial goals. So it shows goal amount, start date, projected end date, actual end date, how much you need each week to accomplish that goal, and notes. I've never done the Jordan Page budget, so we'll have to see. So here's the monthly income and the way she has you take everything out. And she does it by percentages, I think. I will need to research this because I don't know if I will use this tab all that much, but she has weekly budgets and then it's this on each page. And then here is the blocks. And so these are, first we have notes, also another pocket. So the weekly to-do list, notes at the bottom, and then how you fill everything in. So here she said this could be for meal planning or kind of motivational quotes for the day, and notes. This could also be for meal planning. So I don't know, this is obviously a lot of weeks. I don't know if I'm gonna prefer this to the other method. I think it just kind of depends. I feel like this is more of a broad overview where the other one was a little bit more detailed, but I don't know, I could get behind this. So this is pretty much this the whole way through. And then at the very back, so this very back page is notes. And then this one is also called notes, this tab. And it has a little pocket, and then these are just note pages in the back here. And that is the Jordan Page planner. I am definitely excited to use it. I don't know which one I like better. And it could be that I'm not as much of a fan of this one because it has the extra things that I might not use as much, but I'm definitely gonna give it a try. Just to give you a little bit of background, I'm not a huge planner person. I need down to the basics, and I got her 6-month one, loved it. I think it's the only planner I've actually ever finished. Now, granted, it took me almost a year to finish the 6-month planner because during the summer, I didn't need it nearly as much. And for me, all of the extra bullet journaling and reflection pages just weren't my style. I also am not one to make my planners look really pretty, but I feel like with hers, you still can do it. And I love the covers and things. After I used up the hardcover planner that I first had with her, I ended up switching to the digital file that she had and then use that as a digital planner. And if you want a video on how to do that, I can definitely make that for you. And I even figured out how to do the digital tabs and everything like that. I hope that Jordan will offer this planner in a digital format. If not, I'll just kind of hack and slash one together if I think I like this format better than her original. But I think I might like a mix of both. So we'll have to see. So if you do want to see anything else in this planner in better detail, be sure to comment below so I can do that for you, and have a great day. Cheers.